Audio.
Hey everyone, let's learn about different ways of adding CSS to your HTML. At first we have the inline styling. That is, when we will use the style attribute to style our HTML elements, then we will call it as inline styling. Like we have the h1 element. So next up we have the internal styling. That is, when we will use the style tag inside the head of our HTML, and then directly we will pick the elements we want to style. Like we have a p element. So we will directly pick that element inside the style tag and style them. So this is the internal styling. Then we have external styling. It means instead of using the style attribute or the style tag, we will use external CSS. It means we need to create a folder that is style.css. And here we need to give the link. Like suppose we have an h1 again. So we will pick that element and style them here in the external CSS file that we have. So yeah, that's it for this video.